Thank you.
Did I ask for strawberries? I thought I asked for a combo. Hi. Yes, I'm so confused. I'm like, what's happening? Hello. What's your name?
Charlotte.
Oh, nice. That's a beautiful,
I'm
nice
6 years
name.
old now.
Oh, you're 6? When did you become 6?
I got my level.
Was it September?
I'm just going to put my word in.
She's asking which month she became 6. I knew it. Bye. The first ready bereka. Not that I know what to look for. Yeah, it's interesting. I did not know such an option exists. Or we're waiting for the key for the gate.
No, we have it. We can go.
Drivo, I'm not comfortable driving from your yard. Will you take it out the gate?
Can you just move for me, yeah? I think the way that we've done it, I think it's here. I was supposed to put it more. Then it's unboxed.
Ah, when you push it forward, it
Yeah,
falls.
then you were supposed to push it.
They don't have rats.
You don't know what?
Mice.
Mice and rats.
I can see that there's a cover that my car doesn't have.
Does it have like a service history? Oh yeah, we gotta check out how the back seat is.
I've already checked it. Yeah, the children are gonna love it, sure.
This button is not working.
Which button is not working?
This one.
What does it do?
You can't switch off the radio. But I guess that can be fixed. Is the stuff that you must take note of so that you can tell how to sort it out for you. The shocks are good. Only thing that concerns me is that this is not. Oh, it doesn't have a button either. So I think it doesn't have that.
Ishapo, Papa.
Ishap.
Yeah. 50. Molelo wa ga mapaseka. Ngwana wa ga mapaseka. Baby ngana ya ga mapaseka. Molelo. O dirile kaka? O dirile kaka? Ke bona ga ona kaka. Sis, o dirile kaka re go change ladies.